don't hang it so that they don't fall.
If you come online and you share, please share for me, please. It's very important I share this message because there's so many messages going on that I think I need to add my voice because so much misconceptions going on about religion and all that. So I have to share my idea if really religion is the problem of Africa. Please share. Please share, please. When you come online, you share. Enyumwe ya brabi nyumni brother Okule King Okule on YouTube. If you go YouTube you find the music there. If you go to YouTube you find the music there. It's brother Okule.
Also for your own no. I be street boy for my life. Come and steal money for brother. If you thought to be a problem, which can you be this? Yawa in my country, politicians in my country, pollute to the country. Which can Yawa be this? Yawa in my country, politicians in my country, pollute to the country. Which can Yawa be this?
Oh yeah, now. Here's Brother Okule, King Okule on YouTube. The title of the song is Yawa in My Country. This is like this. I will call YouTube, I will host me okay as a sempa, I will tell you now what can say you penny for no. No my cost for Ghana, no, or didn't I hear you wabono?
Politicians in my country, pollute to the country. Which can Yawa be this? Oh, Yawa in my country, politicians in my country, pollute to the country. Which can Yawa be this?
And the title you say it's religion, really the African downfall, and a religion, and a downfall of Africa now. Nyambese account because Matisa among for bebre avec quelqu'un in some bebre condemning religion. That is the downfall of Africa. Internet amaba online we no me pese ye junior kakra hu say I am passing religion. Choma take welcome, Kinokule welcome, Anthony take welcome online. Masaudu Afari welcome. Oh, Larry Sarata, welcome. Program na mix to kanai meka twi na usaka kra ni nkranzuka krasa na beya obi abet miati ati nyameka no na gamoda usa de ankaranti duka ma we ganka usa ke twi efe ke mix ma blendile koni wokwe akelela kashi is it Islamic religion or Christian religion? Is the African downfall, or is it something else? Because man, this is among for we bring kaka can say Africa, the religion, and a cause problem, no. See religion and a cause a problem. In per se, ye dream who then ye say more points be many points in the back. Then ye say I'm passing religion and a cause the downfall of Africa. And I be from. Number say no. Number say no. Okay now. But Obaso na wa share kakra. Obaso na wa share na ye koso yenti enyum no one more time na ye den na me ko program so. Na me nka nyampese me ka. After that no you think you know say is religion really the African downfall, and now it's something different. What I say, yeah, that's what I want to think about, because me, I have the privilege to go to China before. I know the kind of mentality that they had there. Me Chinese for a mentality. Me South Korea for a mentality. Me European so a mentality. What I say, yeah, inteno, and America have also no Canada has no meaning, their mentality to be blending now together. Then you say religion and Africans are now a baby something different. Oh, I've been to me piakashi, Numbo Jamo, ni Akaba Africa, no ba Africa Biana, Nehani, Wayano, Nehani. Nibi in Africa what be say keni bonani e o ngwana mi to wojo he no kwa kile like Africa so monu wo so Africa no hani wo ya no anono go kloni kama na aka che mutande wo so na monganu kama adini in general no other Christianity go Islam no so go cause problem but kunja mutande wo yan common sense abua ay monganu de wa botum onga so emphasis de wa ka onga problem ga. But they don't condemn anybody. In back, I condemn Okwana. I'm ambassador to condemn Obiejuma, and then you'll be here. Just miss me the magic cry back, because sometimes who idea na nyama ekoswa. It's like how say you have idea nyama ekosu and na unko. Intend person John say I am passing religion and a African problem, and now a be different. Intend anyway, anyway we are now. Yeah, Mr. Jacob, welcome. Mr. Jacob, welcome. Now you Sergio, Max, welcome. Chale, abaja kuko abaja kuko. Oh, Palace Chief, Chale, welcome. Palace Chief, welcome. They say no. Nyama ya koso ne say Palace Chief. Oh. Just na ojuma oye na mse mi twaso kakra wa say Palace Chief. Nana. I want to be CEO religion and African problem. Inteno, mbese ye hu say am pass religion African problem na because matutu kwa bebre mo experience bebre man hu nyama amanfo ko na de na am pass religion ene ye problem na nti mbese ye tu nyumu ye tie nyumu wie a then I will fire.
We never free from it all. Ikuma where you dey.
Dale.
Africa where you dey. Chikata where you dey. Free as a from bondage. Ikuma where you dey. Africa where you dey. Chikata.
Where YouTube King Okule. Our YouTube. Our marvelous songs man. Also when the program I made you know. It's about African leadership and African leadership and the citizenship. And a citizen, you know. Yeah, internal, and you know, if I can't point on percent million pound, internal member you now, or you be honorable. If you go to YouTube, just go look for King Okule. And our face King. Okay. You say no, me. First of all, no. Yati be brave on social media say, yeah, the downfall of Africa no. religion abofo di ba ye any Arab for di ba Africa enema Africa yen cosmico ya jaye nanum ways no enema Africa ye den ya kichiri. But me no, I don't agree with that perception that idea and say a religion enema Africa ye kichiri. To me no the problem is say and can confirm what's a big platform no omo can say Africa is a problem and religion is the problem of Africa no sani pakona no oko mokola no say Chinese need to bag ton bag no say Ghana need to bag or he will bypass the Ghanaian seller and enter into Chinese shop to go and buy in Ghana. You say education. Say you do your home. Say Ghana the boy din no for you to sacrifice for the money to stay within your country, within your community no. And say the ukoto Ghana ni die no. Because Chinese ni die no otoa ana utoa or this kind of system aja cut back to China. Akobo omo economy wo no. Recently on say Ghanaian can support everything except Ghana. Ghana for we can support everything except Ghana. BBA foreign biano we support it. Nana thank you. Charlie Palace boy. And then Miss Majiga Pound Palace boy Ajiga. Ghana for your support bia share Nansenya for example Nansenya Caribbean Ghana. Caribbean number 1 no ex-stripper. Number 2 ni kasakra enye papa. Number 3 or ni kasa gata language. What I say Obagana na say I don't know what happened. Either somebody invited our slave queens or they were not invited or they went there. If you understand showbiz, there are some shows you have to go there yourself. There are some programs as a showbiz and as a musician. Chatawale numna bo free show bebreu. Maybe okra you invite you kra show because you invite you go there for yourself just to showcase what you have, your talent. What I say, intino say obi invite you no mu ko hon mu na studio mu upper. She said Ghana for a bashi our own slave queens for a foreigner. For a foreigner. Imagine Ghana for our own women, our own sisters, our own mothers. Just because just because somebody invited them and then the person didn't show up. Or there's a misunderstanding somewhere. And no Ghana for slave queens. Say now celebrities, football stars now they come online say Basho I don't understand. Maybe some Ghana for me some with this kind of mentality say we support other people except ourselves. You know how can we forge ahead? How can we go forward? How can we progress? Maybe so. Anka one of our slave queens ni a ex-stripper anka Ghana for anything. Nanka one of our slave queens no anka baku kasa no kasa or you so F word woman anka Ghana for anything. Now answer on your Ghana into no Ghana for best support no. The same way Ghana ni come market. No, who say ni nua to banchi. Chinese ni to banchi. Ghana ni best sign Chinese ni ho akakoto obest sign Ghana ni ho akakoto Chinese there no. And the uye say ya a chronic because you are not ready to sacrifice. Bebre now omukasa no they compare themselves to China. Say oh China are not religious. Chinese they are religious. Even though they are not Christians or Muslims. Hey, even one of them, Islamic prophet, died in China, in Guangzhou. I have been there. I've seen that mosque. One of the Islamic prophets died in China. Na tama me 2005 Mr. Semi call China. Me call business of China bano. Uko China, you don't have access to BBC. You don't have access to CNN. It's local televisions. They were castrated for them even from the rest of the world into China. You only see Chinese things. You only eat Chinese food. You only think China. They sacrifice for the country to reach where is it today. We don't want to sacrifice anything, but there we condemn religion and want to compare ourselves to Chinese. Here, China, every Chinese shop, Buddha status will I've been to China more than 18 times. More than 18 times. Uko China ne 99.9% Ube right Chinese shop, there's a Buddha statue. Now the Buddha statue is also say, "Oh, remwa omo the bell asan door and instead of for him or the hair or shop owner to be ringing the bell all the time, you know. When you open the door, the bell rings. So when the bell ringy penetrates, say you helping." What I say? Into no Ghana, no, it's what is in our mind that's causing the downfall of Ghana. No way I dream. Ghana can tolerate everybody, but except Ghanaian. Because of social media. Chinese for bar, not on the phone, not the wire toy B, not the BB, not the JNA, not the garlic, not the BBA socks, nana ba max. Glasses. Then phone call with Bibiano on Facebook. Now you see Ghanaian fighting a Ghanaian on Facebook and turn around and condemn religion. Eh? Nana. Ghana ni be social media. He can't tolerate on patience. No, about social media. He will bash. Oh yeah. No, so religion, Islam and Christianity, downfall of Africa. Urefise Mansa Musa, the richest man ever lived in the world, was a Muslim. He ruled. He have a lot of slaves. Urefi is the ancient Enoch. Oh, Egypt. You don't say Christian. Long before. Now, so no, we come online. Now, ye bashi ye nia, ye nia kum, ya de here, Karaha. Filipinos, there were 10 guys. They came together. They contributed. Omu ye contribution. Omu nye ska na ya tofie na ya mabako. Na omu sa continue. Na omu sa ye ska biom. Then omu organize na ya tofie. Ya ka omu deposit na ya tofie mabako. They were able to buy a house, secure a house for themselves. Because I say Ghana for it Ghana for it from the start go, Obia per se, yan tough yen man first, because I dream feel when I dream say you tough yen man pay. Otilo, we Johnny. He's not gonna pay anymore. What I say? Otilo. No, Johnny. What is it? That's Brother Samuel. On say Chinese for no. Some of the Amu religion no. Every Japan for colonize Omu. Into your tradition na no. Every Omu. Omu kwaro Japan for colonize Omu. Japan for colonizing South Korea, Taiwan for now, Japan more pressure. They say the worst enemy of a Korean guy is sometimes they need North Korea, near Japan. Because Japan more serious. Slavery didn't happen only for the black people. The white slave whites, blacks enslaved blacks, hey, Jewish people enslaved Jewish. It happy be brave, but young sometimes Africa for we feel say it's only young one. Let's come back to let me make one more point here. The time I call South Korea, me boss are all the company all your juma. No a missionaries, no a missionary. Now missionary oye no oye juma sorry free. Inteno every week. Ebekwa sorry no. Me a meeting because South Korea no those times because of weather is bad now didn't know if you are working the company they force you to stay there omma ejuma omma bibia obeda accommodation bibia not economy every week person cook room fine work room into me and meeting me boss on channel yeah and say every Sunday morning as early as 6 o'clock now sorry what jare bibia we native we go into houses it was South Korea na ya piki amount for ya piki omua na enyoma kwa sorry out of sika onu ejuma oye no ube kono na ya ye aduani be the Ghanaians, the Africans, the Filipinos, the Indonesians, whoever it is obia ekudidibi ibi so a ye ponso na obia ko free even correction po upa no betia upa hunpia not or South Korean na nyame hu South Korean say omo one say before the country can develop krano we have to control what we eat because as a Ghanaian typical Ghanaian on person giving Ghanaian food how can you develop with that mentality say upe say Chinese for no when they started time more your stage we know they don't have Papa here they don't have McDonald's they don't have Kentucky KFC they don't have all those things they grow what they eat and they eat what they grow and your religion they sacrifice for the country. See, my boss friend come and say, why are you here? So I said, why are you here? He said, no, because I feel like I need to travel and learn. I'm here to learn more skills and how people think and all that. I said, okay, no problem. But time I school or UK, or English or UK. Now time I classroom, there's 2 Ghanaians that they are the best in the classroom. Where are they? Why is our economy not doing well? Because he think with only those 2 people, if they were given a chance, they can do better. What are they? Even at that time, 2003, 2004, I don't even know. Ono Kachem say, do you know, say, Kwame Nkrumah, my grant, free, and your loan for free. Those time no free, mom said free. Because after China break away from Japan, and it is the mom. Even Kwame Nkrumah ema musika. Nigeria ema musika. Omankasa sono omudi uwo gold chain uwo ahudie bi uwo gold and bibia they bring it together. They bring everything together for them to raise the capital for their country. They were forced to build their country. There's no democracy. Forced, you work forced to build your country because you love the country at heart. That's why you see them today. That's why you see the North Koreans, the South Koreans, the Japanese, the Chinese people, they are progressing. What I say? In the year, no, we are not ready to sacrifice anything We just compare ourselves to the world developed countries, and then we sit relaxed and we blame our government. We blame our government, our president, our leaders, that they don't do the right, but the right have to start from you. How much pressure are you putting on our leaders? Because it's either religious or tribal, or some affiliations with the federal government or something. So you support the government whatever he does. The government may be who support no. Or ye bonio, or you support no. And the opposition so condemn the government whatever the government does. Whether a Papa Ebonio is not supporting in doing that. And say with this, how the country go on. Even our tribes, even contributed negatively for the development of Africa or now for Ghana than the religion. No, the rice is ready. So eat some rice and come and finish your homework. Excuse me. Yeah? You finish what? You finish your homework? Okay, I'm gonna check it when I finish.
Just have to let me attend this.
And the religion is never the African problem. How I see you, how you see me. That's the cause, that's the downfall of Africa. So you see him, even though you see him as different, but you see him as different, even though we are all Ghanaians, you see him as different. Hello, Kotoka, Charlie, Charlie, Boli. Onye Santini, and Oya Beni, only Chini, Dagatini, Frafreni, Dagomba, we all share home as different people among ourselves. In terms about Sana, how can you progress? Even sometimes the religion krano, a bomb kra, a sin, your tribe. Sometimes, because me I benina me tuba, many Muslims na you call as one people. Me pepe ni na me convert to Christianity, we go at one people. Welcome, Emmanuel, Apostle Emmanuel Mensah. Many Apostle Emmanuel Mensah and I call South Korea. Or Apostle, he's doing very marvelous work now. Many know, and at the same classroom to study the survey of the New Testament. Many Apostle Emmanuel Mensah or online here. He's doing very marvelous. Or continue. And Yami Jumano, and I hear Sudi and Ericotana Zungu, Eri di Wacheni, Wacheni, Kusi, and Kuku, Ausakuku. Ekonum Burkina, Edi and Usana require. And so you continue or taking other courses now. They can woman pay a big, so a big time. Oh, now story I me can any know about South Korea. He knows we were there together. Now South Korea, the middle class and a builder of mine, compared to Ghana, Obia Pesoko University. Obey Petrocho pen and paper. With this, how can you develop? Don't condemn religion. Don't stop the blame game. And do the right thing yourself. Stop the blame game and do the right thing yourself. This is just a common. This is the right education we should need. As every Ghanaian Bianu, we should be able to teach ourselves. Say, listen, we should love ourselves no matter what. If I'm selling something and this thing is 50 Ghana and Chinese man is selling his own 40 Ghana, go and buy Ghana own. That's your own sacrificial. That's all your own sacrificial for the country. Because Ghana, you know, utokrana is Kanu. Ekoa anasaba ochembium. Ekoa utogane ni hoa okofia beto jibidi obeto bibi na jibidi nsanya bibi ekoa na utumantos ra na asaba benja bium. Na Chinese nyeno ukoto ni chena is one channel, a channel of no return. A call, bye bye. In the religion, any problem, bruh. Me, growing up, no, people who know me, them say I was one of the stubborn guy. I don't see my bibiada. I have seen 99. It's because of religion. Teachings be a course now. Remember, change my life. Now, say yet abrocheno, we fail to understand. What abroche benana? What abroche you know say frustration, depression, any star she for no a dos ma abroche ha esin bibia. Sa depression, depression, frustration, sa wenu mental unstable. Even though Ghana, Africa, we don't have that money, no, we don't have a lot of work and not be able to take care of ourselves. Even though we have it, but we fail to manage them, you know. They have it, but trust me. Sometimes you say, everything on you be no depression. Or maybe no frustration. Because when you say me timika moi ebia me the gospel music be ahye na me yebo intino na aka bibi na me se djum to was you me ko hye ho akonfo na ne yewudia na ne yewudia ochena onim na ebisi na ade saa nti ska mini bi kra no na je say me hope for tomorrow. But these people see nano me share Gabi obroni fita wo hanom na yebo nkomo na so me free from South Africa na so dey me free no so okoye state of South Africa na okoye South Africa no oko adam for South African into no tambia or ni frustrated or depressed no at this type into na dan for no ban in chain at that stage of 22 years old the South African black ban in chain no only sabe born it say Hakuna Matata. That word, he never, you know the meaning of that word? Don't worry, it's going to be all right. Hakuna Matata. Just that simple word, don't worry. It's going to be okay. It's going to be all right. But until that, ni mama catch that, ni papa catch that, until be biada, only the problem is him alone. It's him alone. And my point and say religion are contributing a lot in Africa for us than the way we think. Religion contributing a lot. Because me who se see here, me think comes se here, me bo gospel se here. Me think preaching me se see. Me think na se see. Some nice words, some nice encouragement. Or no office se here. This say or funny phone now, no share sexy. No share sexy movies. No share porn. No a brim or we are not like a jack off. Is that a common sense? Is that what you need for Ghana? Now, let's come back to our leaders. Our leaders say, I don't know why you fail or you're refusing to know the fundamental or the beginning of a developed country. What you should do. Here, we must see hospital. We must see schools. 3 billion schools. If you don't have a system, nothing will work. It's still ground zero. It's a gun zero. Nana, umpacho ya yo abroche nano. If you come here first, sir, what is your aim? Utu kwamba abroche in advanced country biano. What is your aim? What do you want first when you travel to abroad? Is documents. A document. The document and so no. There was series of code be was so Now that series of code no and the extra bibia. Why are we failing to get a national identification card? Say every citizen must have a number. Every citizen must have a number. Because if 2019, we'll see what read the budget. I don't even get it. How did you read the budget? How? Based on what? Can you read the budget? That you don't have a system. You don't even know your citizens. You don't know who is working and who is not working. So how can you make a budget for that? It is Sanyama with Nan and the man fall of Africa. Hey, you are approaching bloggers now. Let's come together. Oh, let's channel our energy to the development of Ghana, not to fight ourselves on social media. Not to condemn ourselves on social media. We should stop the blame game. And let's have a proper education. Say, me to idea, you see me first as a Ghanaian than any other. Even if the person's own is cheap, self now, you still want to buy my own because you sacrifice. Make a Michel. Obia South Korea be an one channel. It's a government TV channel. The only showcase on my journey. Now, on my journey, so I'm showcase no. Now, the nutrition sabet na ho. Now the science sabet na. Now it shows say, oh, wow, Ghana 2 Jimmy Rice way. She udia, ubanya vitamin A, vitamin Q, vitamin Z, ubanya we. Inten akola or she own na no onim say their food is the best. Oh, inteno own na no on the mentality and say their food is the best. Biso bia onim Korean ni bia no. Even in Canada here, in India, in everywhere, they have some salad be my friend and some leaf be. They from kimchi. Sa kimchi no ye bie so hard more you run away. A bomb brutal. Ahaban no omutu fom no modi moko ni pepper ni bibia no more paint plastic bag mo. No more stand share paint box no more share container no more siliano no more to foam no more that shahon no more. After 3 weeks na omo abeyi no more na share fridge mo na enu eno moody because in the time of hardship no sana omuri see aduane omo babenya a brainwash their citizenship say share say aduane no a udi a e ma hondi e ma say any South Korean ni bia no or kodi McDonald's kra na is once in a blue moon on me say okoto yare ama ne ho because their brainwashing is say ni ejane odi woni chrome no they have the best food na wonu na mo ye na o ma kire South Korea ni won so mo ye kitikiti otu ho obi 65 years na hu no a o ye kitikiti Salim chale welcome kitikiti o na o ma kire American ni kese bolo to say Miami TSA no natural American ni say or 24 years and then no natural South Korea ni say or 65 years compare them. Because an American or akola crown or ba kokra and our boy brewa is 65 years no that brainwash no can say aduane we ne mami di na aduane we na America ni di nti America ni dia o dia obewu e ma sickness nti don't eat that. Eat Korean food, eat Korean vegetables, eat Korean sea. They also have 2 Jimmy. Ghana 2 Jimmy no. They also have 2 Jimmy. No mudi o. Now they have only one food, which is rice. Now some more have vegetable, different variety of vegetables. Into Korean kranu, usu be didia, usi pego pap ni omo. And then I'll eat rice. It's not like, oh, I'll eat fufu. No. They have only one. I'll pego pap. I'll eat rice. Oh, and then if Ghana, say sometimes we can't compare ourselves to America. America is an ancient country. Germany is an old ancient country. Now Korea there 2 point. Thank you, Nana. Thank you so much. Oh, now so Ghana ni. Upa bisa Ghana for 10 cents. They don't put di. We tell the fried rice and chicken. And a papaya and I can take McDonald's in our food no. Even including me, because ya sa mentality from childhood. And I say, just brainwashing. Oh, say Uncle, you see, teach your child how he should grow. So when he grow, he won't depart from it. And I said, I cannot know. Our leaders are failing, and we know we refuse to think, give them pressure because Oya Santini and Santini etiso into Yaban etiso into Bibia okay. Oya Igbeni and Igbeni Aban etiso into Bibia okay. Oya Nofini and a Nofini etiso into Bibia okay. Ebani sana we can't progress, we can't we will go back. And then the solution is that Abano. The first thing is that you have to know your citizenship. Your citizens, you have to know all of them by issuing ID card to each and everybody. You do hospital no more birth certificate. So far away, because you say no, there's no country ultimate survive, ultimate function if you don't have a credit system. Abroche na a credit system no. What's wrong? You fell down?